Global architecture meets Chinese craftsmanship in the heart of Shanghai's skyline. A legacy is forged. Qingtai 20 years engineering the bones beneath the world's ceilings. Qingtai, your China partner since 2003. Witness precision born from 20,000 square meters of automated intelligence. Our robotics dance with steel, crafting load-bearing skeletons to millimeter perfection. Logistics unleashed. 30,000 pallets ready. Ships in 72 hours globally. Your deadline, our fuel. Glass fiberboard, fire armor, 1200 degrees survival. Perforated panel, noise killer, 0.95 NRC. MW acoustic panel, quiet achieved, fire defeated, Class A. Fiber cement, hurricane proof, 50-year grit. Clip-on ceiling, installed in 1/3 time. Snap, done. Painted truss, salt spray, 1,000 hours lapse. Waterproof gypsum, steam room, 0 swelling. Heavy gauge galvanized stud, 150 kilograms per meter squared loading, silent backbone. Truss sealed, world ready.